Hello, this is Stock Database for Price Prediction Model team. I'm the presenter, Kim Kwang-jae, the guy in the middle of the picture staring at you. Firstly, I want to talk about problem specification, followed by project outcomes, summary and broad impact, and finally, demonstration of the implemented DB application. Firstly, what's the problem out there? The data preparation for building a deep learning model is tedious and time-consuming. For example, a user has to learn web crawling API to structure the database they want, or he or she has to build a new programming code for web crawling. Therefore, we came out with a database system, and this is our database schema. It includes 6 tables in total. The first table is stock name. It includes stock ID and stock name attributes. For the price table, it includes stock ID, date, open, low, high, close prices, and the volume. For the period table, it includes period ID, stock ID, start date, and the end date. For the sector table, it includes sector ID and the name. And for stock sector table, it includes both the stock ID and the sector ID. For our indicators table, includes stock ID, EPS, PER, BPS, and the PBR. And this is our database application, how the web page looks like. And our web page provides 2 functionality. The first is individual stock price, and the second is sector stock price. For the individual stock price, it provides, for example, maybe just SK Innovation stock price information. But for the sector stock price information, if you click on 45, and it refers to IT-related companies, and it will provide all IT-related companies' stock prices. For our development environment, we use Python as our basic language, and we use MySQL Workbench to build our database schema, and we use the Flask to syncing between web application and the database. So now, I want to give you an example of our using our web application. First, if you choose to type in postcode to learn about their database stock price, you specify the start and the end date. And I gave you an example of 2019 January 2nd to 2019 February 1st. And you check on the checkbox of open price and the volume. Once you click on the download button, it will be translated into a query. And then it will provide you a CSV file which includes the attributes and the date range that you have specified earlier on. Now, I want to talk about the summary and the broad impact. Our web application helps deep learning researchers to instantly receive prepared datasets. It provides checkbox for features that researchers want to see from the CSV file. And the datasets are being prepared into the structure in line with the experiment's purpose. For our broad impact, it lowers the barriers for those who are unfamiliar with web crawling codes but need datasets for analysis. Our team is strongly convinced with the contribution of the web application would make in stock-related academy and the business fields. In the future, we can expand this web application to provide various resolution of the data, such as hourly, minute-based datasets for researchers. Furthermore, we can provide a pre-processed dataset, for instance, min-max scalar, z-score, or return rate of the stock price could be applied on the dataset. Thank you. Alright guys, this is our web page. Let's log in for now. Type in the ID and the password and click on the login button. And it found that it's not registered yet. So we're going to go to the register page now. Click on the register button and type in the ID and the password that you want to register, and click on the register button. And now it's successful. Let's type in the same ID and the same password and click on login button again. Yep, there you go. It shows the sector and the stock for our downloading system. And for now, let's download the stock first. I want to download Naver stock and type in the date range from 2019 February 2nd to 2019 May 5th. And you check for checking all attributes and click on download button. It will show the CSV file, and you can find the whole attributes are being downloaded as expected. And for now, let's do it for just checking on maybe the open and the close prices for now. And click on the download button again, and the CSV file will show only the open and the close price. There you go. And let's try for the sector part now. So we go to sector part, click on 45, and the date range, the same date range, and the 45 sector code refers to IT sector code. And checking on the whole attributes, it will show all the tickers that is related to 45 sector code, including all attributes that we want as expected. And for now, maybe we just check for close and the low prices only. And click on the download button again, and it will show the only close and the low prices. Yep. And it shows that our web page is working fine, and we hope it can be useful and effective and bringing the efficiency to the people who are working on the field of deep learning and machine learning, and also for the people who need our data sets for their own stock price prediction data analysis. Thank you for all your attention and your time.